Looking for the best underwater camera? Are you a travel vlogger desiring to capture the beauty beneath the waves? The importance of a good underwater camera cannot be overstated. It's not just about taking pictures or recording videos underwater, it's about capturing high-quality images and videos, ensuring durability, water resistance, and ease of use. A great underwater camera can transform your underwater exploration into an unforgettable journey. Today we're diving into 6 of the best underwater cameras available in the market. Don't forget to like, subscribe and check out the product links in the description below. First up, we have the Olympus Tough TG6, a camera that is as tough as its name. This powerhouse promises robustness and resilience, withstanding even the harshest of environments. It doesn't shy away from delivering high-quality image and video resolution, capturing moments in their truest form. The crowning glory? Its water resistance, defying depths up to 15 meters. So, whether you're diving into the azure abyss or caught in a sudden downpour, you're covered. The Olympus Tough TG6 is a solid choice for those who value durability and quality. Next on our list is the Ricoh WG6, a camera that is more than meets the eye. This compact powerhouse boasts a 20-megapixel sensor capturing stunningly clear images. Its 5 times optical zoom brings the world closer without losing any detail. And let's not forget its impressive water resistance, up to 20 meters, making it a perfect companion for your underwater adventures. The Ricoh WG6 is a fantastic option for those who want a balance of power and portability. The Sealife Micro 3.0 Pro and Ricoh WG80 are next, each offering unique features. Let's dive in, shall we? First up, the Sealife Micro 3.0 Pro. This underwater marvel comes with a hefty 16 gigabytes of internal memory. That's a lot of room for all those stunning undersea shots and videos. Speaking of videos, did we mention it records in stunning 4K quality? That's right. Every minute detail of your underwater exploration is captured in crystal clear, high-definition video. Moving on, we have the Ricoh WG80. This camera offers a powerful 5 times optical zoom, perfect for capturing distant marine life without disturbing their natural habitat. But the real star of the show is its unique macro mode. This feature allows you to take incredibly detailed close-up shots, bringing you face-to-face with the smallest and most fascinating marine creatures. Both the Sealife Micro 3.0 Pro and Ricoh WG80 offer unique benefits, making them stand out in the underwater camera market. Last but not least, we have the GoPro Hero 11 Black and DJI Action 3, 2 action cameras that are perfect for underwater adventures. The GoPro Hero 11 Black is a heavy hitter in the world of action cameras. It's a champion under the sea, with its hyper-smooth stabilization making sure your underwater footage remains as steady as a rock, even when you're swimming with the fishes. No more shaky videos of that elusive sea turtle you've been chasing. And let's not forget about the quality. With the ability to shoot in stunning 5000 video quality, your underwater world will look as vibrant and detailed as it does in real life, maybe even more so. Moving on to the DJI Action 3, another robust action camera that is no stranger to the deep blue. Its rock-steady stabilization technology, much like the GoPro's Hyper-Smooth, ensures your underwater videos are as smooth as a calm sea surface, even when you're diving into the action. The DJI Action 3 also boasts dual screens, a game changer for framing your shots and ensuring you're capturing exactly what you want. Whether it's a selfie with a friendly dolphin or a panoramic shot of a colorful coral reef, you have the control. If you're looking for action cameras that can handle underwater adventures, the GoPro Hero 11 Black and DJI Action 3 are top contenders. So there you have it, 6 of the best underwater cameras available on the market. The Olympus Tough TG6, with its robust build and superior macro capabilities, is a must for the extreme adventurer. The Ricoh WG6, on the other hand, is a great fit for those who need a versatile camera that can brave the elements, both above and below the water. Our next camera, the Sealife Micro 3.0 Pro, is perfect for those who prize simplicity and ease of use, while the Ricoh WG80 offers a balance of performance and affordability, making it a solid choice for beginners. For the action sports enthusiasts, the GoPro Hero 11. Black's advanced stabilization and high-resolution video capabilities capture every thrilling moment in stunning detail. And finally, the DJI Action 3, with its dual screens and exceptional image quality, is a worthy investment for those who demand the best in action photography. Remember, the best underwater camera is the one that fits your needs and budget. So dive in and make your choice.